Prospero, a dear and a very gentle and dedicated father who took care of his daughter when she was only 3 years or 4 years. He left his kingdom, but did not leave the responsibilities of a father. Instead, he worked hard to raise his daughter up and never unfolded the story of his past in order to boast about himself. Now the time has come when he needs to tell all the stories and events to his daughter. The reversal of fortune that occurred when he was in Milan, his brother, whom he loved too much, just next to his daughter, cheated him badly. And he was a great scholar, and his state, Milan, was a powerful state, but the fortune played very fortune played a very cruel role to him, and he had to leave the kingdom. Now, what is the present condition of his is not his real condition. Reality is something else. Appearance and reality does not go hand in hand. Apparently, he is a poor magician living in a poor island, but actually, he is the king of the kings. Knowing the little detail, Miranda was almost heartbroken as well as mesmerized. A question has raised in her heart, that is she the daughter of Prospero? That got solved also. Also, the mentioning of the mother is made here, that her mother was was ever virtuous lady. She would be the princess of Milan, but Antonio played a very cruel game with them, banished them from the kingdom, almost about to kill them. With the help of Gonzalo, they somehow survived and reached this island, deserted island. So, the conflict in the story has already started, and we will go forward understanding all these dramatical devices as well as all the events in this particular drama. So, we have completed till this portion. So, we'll start from the next. Those being all my study, the government I cast upon my brother, and to my state grew stranger, being transported and wrapped in secret studies. Those being all my study, the government I cast upon my brother. Here, cast upon means hand over. So the entire government was handed over to his brother Antonio. Those being all my study, that means being too obsessed with study. He used to study different things. What he had done, he had handed over the government to his brother. And to my straight grew stranger. And as he handed over the authority and management of the state to his brother, all of a sudden the state started growing stranger, very different, being transported and wrapped in secret study. Here, transported means involved, and wrapped, that means too much busy or too much associated. Too much associated with secret study. Here, secret study stands for the magical studies he started reading that time. Your false uncle. Your false uncle. Thy means your means Miranda. Then he was about to continue, but he changed the topic and asked, "Dost thou attend me? Do you?" Does stands for do. Attend means listen. That means, are you listening to me? Miranda, sir, most hatefully. That means with ultimate attention. With ultimate attention. Now, she is listening each and every word, or you can say she was listening each and every word carefully. Prospero, being once perfected how to grant shoots. Being once perfected how to grant suit, how to deny them. They means also shoot. Grant means here accept, and deny here reject. So once perfected, that means once got the knack of, or you can also write, or we can also write the once got the idea and knowledge of. So after getting the kingdom in his hand, he started developing the habit of learning how to accept someone or to reject someone. Who to advance? Here T apostrophe 2. Advance mean to promote, and who to trash over overtopping. Who to trash over overtrapping. And who to trash mean demote. For overtopping. Overtopping means being ambitious. So those who are ambitious, he used to demote them. And those who used to listen to him, he used to promote them. New created the creature that were mine. New created means made friendship. Or we can also write control. Control those new created the creatures. Creatures mean the nobles, minister that were mine. That were mine means those who used to follow Prospero before. So he changed the mind of those people who used to follow Prospero before, or change them. Or change them means change their mind, or change their mind. So he made friendship with those who used to follow Prospero before by putting them under pressure. And what happened as result of this? As result of this, Prospero lost almost all his friends, or else news from them, having both the queue of officer, or else new from them, just new from them, provide them with new office, change the offices, or brought in changes in ministry. He changed all those old ministers who used to follow Prospero and supported those only supported those who were who are the followers of having both the key to of officer and office. Here key means authority. Here the authority of officers and office. Of officer means to direct the officer and office, the minister and the ministry. Here officer stands for minister and office stands for ministry. Set all hearts in the state to what tune pleased his ear. State, set all hearts, I stands for in, the states. That means converted all hearts. That means like of everyone, like or dislike of everyone, like and dislike of all in the state to what tune pleased his ear. To what tune pleased his ear means according to his wishes. So the dislike and likes of him got changed. The interstate used to follow the same liking and disliking of the king. That now he was the ivy. Now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk. Ivy means the parasite plant. Parasite plant had hid my princely trunk. That means that was hidden. That was hidden in his princely trunk. That means under his kingship. So he did not know his brother would be a parasite, would be killing him by taking all his vitality and sucked my verdure out on it. Suck means took off. Verdure means vitality out on it. That means he worked as a parasite plant. What does a parasite plant do? A parasite plant takes off all the vitality, energy, and power of the main tree. In the same way, Antonio, the brother of Prospero, used to take up all the strength of Prospero. Thou attendest not, that means, thou means you or Miranda. Attendest means listening. You are not listening carefully. So, what we have got here, that he has almost told the half of his fast. So, in the next video, we'll discuss the further events. Thank you.